god. What the frick? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, 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 oh. 6.664. Okay, this is my Scrabble. The Scrabble will be up on the screen, and I'm going to show you my solution. First, I noticed this very easy X cross that I can do right here. So, first of all, I wanted to save this blue piece by putting it over here, and while inserting this green edge right here. I then inserted this blue piece like this, so I can preserve this X cross. Very easy X cross. I then went into a series of instant F2L pairs, like this one right here, and then this piece right here. And that led me into this last F2L pair also being an instant. I then had a cross OLO, super easy, and then a U-perm. There it is. Easiest scramble in my life. 35 moves.